guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get this Kim Kardashian West inspired makeup. I just took a photo off Google and I was like, let's do this. So if you guys want to know how to get this makeup look, then just keep on watching. But first, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. The button's down below and click the bell next to it so you get notified when I upload. And then also follow me on social media. It's all going to be linked down below. And without further ado, let's get right on to the tutorial. I'm a little bit tanner than usual. I went to the beach one day with my friends and I got like sunburnt, but then it turned into a tan, so I'm like really freaking tan. So I'm gonna take the Josie Maran Vibrancy foundation in the shade Awakened. I think I'm going to apply it with a brush, a Morphe M439. If I don't like it with the brush, I'll obviously just go in with a Real Technique sponge. I normally do my foundation with a sponge now. I don't do it with a brush, but we're gonna see if I like it. I'm actually gonna prime my skin really fast with the Benefit Professional. Is this even my color? Too dark. This is a little too dark. I'm gonna mix it with the shade Cosmic, and we're gonna see if we can get like a medium shade. Okay, so now I'm going to take Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm just going to highlight with that. Done highlighting, I'm going to set it with the same powder I just set my eyelids with, the Tarte Confidence Powder in the shade Light Beige. Kim always has like that really highlighted look. I'm just going to take this random powder brush. I'm just going to like kind of dust it off first. And then I'm going to take this RCMA powder. I'm going to like feather off a little bit of the stuff off the brush. And then I'm just going to pat it on my eye and then sweep off. To the side. And now we're going to bronze. This Smashbox bronzer in the shade Warm Matte. And I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush in the number 15, and I'm just going to kind of like sculpt out and then bronze up like the forehead and then sculpt out the nose with the NARS Ita brush. And it looks like this. This is the NARS Ita brush. And then I'm just going to take this brush too and run it right here and then run it in my jawline. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Real Technique sponge and I'm going to take the RCMA powder. I'm just going to run that right. I'm going to do the brows really quick and then I will come right back. 350 matte transition shade, so just a light color. That's almost the same as your skin tone. Now I'm going to take a little darker brown and run that in the same area. this like darker brown shade right here. Out of the 35K palette. But other than that, I just use like light transition shades. Actually, I'm going to go back in with that dark brown and I'm going to run that under my lower lash line. Forgot to do that first. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara really quick so I can let it dry. I'm just going to use the Bad Gal Bang. To apply the Emrazy highlighter. I'm just going to apply that, like, honestly, all over my face. I'm not just applying it like I'm literally putting it all over. Okay, I'm actually going to apply mascara on the bottom lash line really quick. This look is like literally coming together so perfectly. Okay. Now I'm going to apply my lashes, and her lashes are not big at all. They're kind of like wispy, like they're like wispy, but they're like thicker. So I'm going to apply these demi wispies. They're like very, very small though. They're not like flary ones at all. I think my actual lashes are longer, or they're probably the same length. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of the Artist Couture highlight with the fan brush. Now I'm just going to add my lip really quick, and I'm going to add the MAC lip liner in Oak, and then I'm going to add the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Libra. So that's it for this makeup tutorial. So yeah, if you guys loved this makeup tutorial, then please like this video. And that's all I have for you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.